All right, welcome back to another episode of Backlash Angling. We have another episode for you today. We got a nice catch and cook coming your way. We are heading out right now on Lake Erie, and we're going to a spot that we've been smashing all week. The perch are in, they're in there thick. There's big ones, there's small ones, and there's tons of other fish as well, like pike, carp, a ton of bass are in the marina, obviously out of season, but yeah, the target species is perch. So our plan is to head out for a couple hours, smash as many as we can, grab enough for dinner, and then yeah, we're gonna show you a new recipe tonight. I look forward to it. Everybody seemed to like the last episode with the new peanut sauté sauce, so I think we'll give you another recipe that you can definitely put in the books for later on. So sit back, enjoy, and let's smash some big peas.
That's what we're having for supper tonight.
There we go.
Again, one guess.
Oh, that's a pike.
That's a pike?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's a huge pike.
Pike.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that thing's huge. I need to sit down. I'm holy crow. I'm scared. Where is he?
I got him.
Bring it over a leg.
I can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Holy.
Nice little
Are you
pike.
videoing?
Yeah. Oh, that little pike.
Oh yeah, that's a cutie.
Beauty little 25 incher. There you go. It's a jumbo.
Holy shit. What is it?
Jumbo.
Hey, someone bit my tail off.
So,
That is I'm on.
there you go.
He's tiny.
You're coming.
Got one.
There you go.
Oh, it's just small.
That's a keeper.
That's a keeper, I guess.
I got one coming for me. Nice, doubled up, Mads. Doubled up. Oh, yeah.
Yours is bigger.
That's a nice one. All right, Dad, just chill here. All right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I just salted minnows. Here, I need somebody to open that cooler. Oh my God.
Did you just lose mine?
Yeah.
They're not. Yeah.
There you go. That's a big one. That's a big one.
Holy shit.
All right.
Holy
Oh,
shit,
really?
that's not a- oh my god. No? I am the perch slayer.
That's a good one.
Woo!
He wasn't
might be.
sounding like he was going to be.
There you go, Dad. It's a good one. It's a good catch. Ah, there's some over there.
I'm trying.
I know. Oh.
Oh, he was right on it. Oh, look at that one. Holy.
Yeah, it's a bass.
Are those all bass right there?
That's a small one.
Yeah.
Wrong species.
Damn.
I'm on the wrong species today, that's for sure. Chill, 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 chill. Chill, 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 chill. Little smallie, wrong species, but excited to catch those in a few weeks. Oh, they keep sinking. Yeah, like right there. They keep sinking into the weeds. There you go. That's a good one.
Holy, that is a great one.
That's a good one. There we go. That's what we're looking for.
Oh, that's probably 12.
11 incher. I feel like they're average smaller. Oh, Mads, you're getting bites. I think you got one. There you go. Play him. Nice. That's a keeper. There we go. Keeper.
Ooh.
Yeah, they're keeper. There's some over here. There's some over here. Go that side. Cast out along that weed bed.
Holy, that one's big.
That's a jumbo. Perfect. Good cast miss. That's a good one. Alright, just pop it through that weeds. Oh, we had one falling. That's a good one. Nice 10.5 incher.
Oh. Whoa, you got a live one.
Got no cream.
Well, we get some bad.
Alright, so we are back in and we were out for an hour and a half. And if you take a look down here, you can clearly tell it's a pretty solid session. We slammed them. We kept 33 fish and we probably let 15 or 20 go. We all got on them, all 4 of us got on them. I didn't get too much footage with the big camera because there's 4 of us on a 12-foot tinner and it was just busy. It was really busy. There's a lot of people in the marina today, obviously due to the May 2-4 weekend, and yeah, we just wanted to go out and smack on some perch. So that's complete. We got enough for dinner for the group of us tonight, the family. And tonight we're going to be making a perch bacon wrapped skewer, and then we're gonna do some stuff on the side, some sides like some mini potatoes, and we might put those on the skewers with some peppers and maybe some other vegetables that we got. But yeah, that's what we're gonna make up tonight. We're gonna do a couple variations. We might make a Cajun one, we might make a jerk one, or we might just make like just a simple garlic seasoned one, but it should be good. So stick with it. We're gonna get these perch filleted up, and then we'll take you to the kitchen and we'll get to cooking. So it is time to get cooking. We got pretty much all the main ingredients here. We actually didn't have too much veggies in the fridge, but what we got is we got our bacon. We got some small potatoes that we cooked about half to 3/4 of the way through because we're gonna throw it on the barbecue, and the perch and the bacon really won't take much time, so we wanted to get a pre-cook on the potatoes. So important to get about half to 3/4 of a cook on them, and then we just have some cherry tomatoes here. So what we're doing is we're just doing our skewers. You soak them in water, and then we put a potato on there, and then what we're gonna do is we got about a 4-inch strip of bacon, and then we're doing a couple different flavors. The one flavor we got going right now is the roasted garlic and peppers, just the clubhouse seasoning. You season it up, you give a quick roll, and then you just string it onto the thing, just like that. And then we'll throw pepper on there, throw a cherry tomato, another potato, and then we'll throw another one of those walleye, done it with walleye quite a few times, perch and bacon seasoned thing. The roasted red garlic is a great flavor. We use it with tons of our stuff, but Dad's doing a jerk over there. If you just pan over that way there. So that's kind of how it's gonna look at the end. You got all the perch and the bacon with your potato and your tomato, and it's gonna roast up on the barbecue really nicely. It's gonna get that crisp. It's gonna taste bomb. So you can actually put anything you want. Today we got jerk. We're doing roasted garlic pepper, and then we're gonna do a curry one. But you can do whatever flavors you want with seasoning, and it really doesn't matter. So we're gonna keep screwing these together. We'll get them on the barbecue, and then we'll show you what it looks like there. Alright, so we got our skewers on. Just sorted them all by our spices, and then like I said, we got them on the top rack, we got them high, and then we're gonna cook them low and slow. Alright? So this is likely going to take around 20 to 30 minutes, but yeah, we'll keep an eye on them, and as soon as those vegetables get that nice char, the potatoes get fully cooked, and the perch and the bacon gets that nice sear, then we'll take them off, and then they'll be ready to eat. But yeah, until now, just let them cook and be patient.
So the COVID hair, just rocking it to start with. The key when you're cooking these is we've got the temperature on really low, and we keep it up high, and then you just slowly flip it, and we're trying to get the bacon crispy without overcooking the fish, which is hard to do. In the end, the fish will be a little bit more cooked than I like, but the key is just to take your time and keep flipping. But they're coming nicely. Okay, so now I dropped them down to the bottom just to get a final little grill on them. Bacon's pretty much cooked. Look at that.
Nice and crispy.
And it's ready to come off. Bacon wrapped perch skewers. Done in garlic, curry, and jerk, and
roasted
Parmesan
garlic.
It's wonderful.
All right, so we're gonna put these on a plate, serve them up, and then we'll see what everybody thinks. Look good to me.
So what I want to say is this is absolutely fabulous, but I was the one who mentioned the recipe, and they're all like, let's do this, so I'm glad I did.
Excellent dish. The garlic is a must try.
All right, so that's gonna wrap things up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed another catch and cook. We've been having an absolute blast smashing on the perch in the last week, even in the last month. They've been on the chew more than they have been in my whole life, to be honest with you. So it's been awesome to get out there, and there's just such great panfish. They taste so good. They're probably my favorite fish out of Lake Erie. So I hope you enjoyed the new recipe, and I can't wait to keep bringing you a couple new recipes, because we have a bunch in the freezer that we've been saving. So we're going to show you a couple more, and then once the walleye start to heat up, they're just as good. So we're excited to just keep the content rolling for you guys. Stay with it, stay tuned, and yeah, if you have any questions about the recipe, make sure to comment in the section below. And if you have any cool recipes of your own, make sure to send us a message, because we want to display any other recipes that somebody might have that we don't even know about. So thanks for the view. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.